scores of shoppers waiting in line to restock their pantries. Our senior reporter Eileen Buckley out in the thick of those lines today.
We are asking for your patience today.
The line of shoppers at the Amherst Street Wegmans in Buffalo wrapped around the outside of the building before the doors opened at 10 a.m. Tuesday morning, but no one seemed to mind the wait.
Wasn't expecting a line when I came in.
I seen a line, but it didn't matter. I was going to stand in line regardless.
Were you running out of stuff?
Yes.
Lisa Wilson of Buffalo tells me she lost power during the blizzard and had to replace everything in her refrigerator.
Because I just was here Thursday night grocery shopping the day before the storm, so.
How did you survive?
Pray, bundling up, and just being patient.
This Wegmans is among 9 of its stores in Erie and Niagara counties to reopen Tuesday. Shoppers told me they were out of essentials.
Me and my friends are just getting some eggs, bread, milk. We're making some ramen actually, so we're gonna make pork belly ramen.
And for many, they say this was the first time they were able to emerge from their homes since the blizzard started on Friday.
Yeah, it's more or less the first time to really get out of the house.
What did you run out of? What did you need?
We need just some medications, coffee, just a couple little basics here and there.
I was cooped up from Friday afternoon to yesterday, and it's not what I'm used to.
Shoppers were also busy buying up essentials at the Tops at Sheridan in Delaware in the town of Tonawanda.
I found it.
Is this the first chance you've had to get to the supermarket?
Yes. And I have no more milk, no more lettuce, low on cereal, low on bread. Thank God Tops is open on Delaware and Sheridan. Everybody, come here.
Items were flying off the store shelves at Tops. The bread aisle was practically empty. Bruce Jackson says he was out of bread and milk and was thankful to be able to shop.
When you look at it, I'm one of the lucky ones. When you think of what's happened to some of the people homeless, 20-some people died. So when you look at it like that, I really can't complain.
A Tops spokeswoman says nearly all of its locations in Erie County reopened. And Wegmans says all Erie and Niagara County stores will reopen on Wednesday at 7 a.m. Eileen Buckley, 7 News.